This is a comical song I wrote about dogs called The Hottest Dog. When I am approaching, they're watching all agog. Here comes the hottest dog. I think I look the business, down the street I strut. I think I am a cool dude, and not a mangy mutt. I don't run with the main pack, my style is all my own. The ladies, they admire me, to give the dog a bone. Others recognise me, and some know who I am. They can see right through me, he's mutton dressed as lamb. When I am approaching, they're watching all agog. He thinks he's the hottest dog. I know all the street corners, I roam around the park. The lampposts, they all know me, it's where I make my mark. And my owners make a big fuss, sometimes I wish they'd not. They call me cute, it's awkward, and to look hot. Others recognise me, and some know who I am. They can see right through me, he's mutton dressed as lamb. When I am approaching, they're watching all I got. Here comes the hottest dog. When I am approaching, watching all I got. He thinks he's the hottest dog. Squeaky toys I am given, the novelty wears off. I have my tummy tickled, I lie there and I scoff. It is a dog's life, and I'm not past my prime, so I will let my fur down and have myself a time. Others recognise me, some know who I am. They can see right through, he's mutton dressed as lamb. I have learned my lesson, I'm happy as I am. I'm not the hottest dog. I have learned my lesson, I'm happy as I am. I'm not the hottest dog. Roo!